Whenever grilling season is in full swing, to tailgate and host friends or show off your culinary skills to the family, a barbecue grill is a must-have piece of equipment. For home appliance businesses, barbecue grills are the best-selling products exported at the moment, as they are indispensable items for most European and American families. Fueled by either propane or natural gas, these gas grills make outdoor cooking almost as effortless as cooking in the kitchen. Today, we are here visiting Vanward, China's largest manufacturer and exporter of professional gas appliances, based here in the city of Foshan, which is a powerhouse city for the production of such items. Come with me now in this comprehensive factory tour at Vanward to understand how barbecue grills are produced from prototypes to mass production. Hey everyone, I'm Joao Barbosa from V-Trust Inspection Service Group, and welcome to Factory Asia's channel. I'm very happy to introduce you today this special Chinese manufacturer that produces ODM and OEM products for internationally renowned brands, starting here from Vanward's gates of the barbecue branch factories. Established in 1993, Vanward Group is positioned as a gas appliance expert in the manufacturing industry. Headquartered in Xuande, Foshan in South China, Vanward has a total of 10 manufacturing bases, including Zhongshan, Foshan's Gaoming, Jiaoqing, Hefei, and other major manufacturing cities. There are currently over 10,000 employees in Vanward, including more than 700 core technical engineers working to develop, produce, and export Vanward's products within its manufacturing area of nearly 2 million square meters. Its total production capacity is over 20 million units between gas water heaters, gas stoves, gas grills, electric water heaters, electric grills, disinfection cupboards, range hoods, and other electrical and gas appliances for kitchens and bathrooms. Barbecue grills, which are Vanward's best-selling products, are produced in Gaoming base. This manufacturing base is divided into Ganhe branch and Yanghe branch, with an area of 180,000 square meters and 249,000 square meters respectively. Both branches have 12 production workshops for die casting, stamping, enamel, spraying, accessories, and assembly. Vanward's barbecue grills are manufactured mainly for export, being sold all over the world in important markets such as the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, Brazil, South Africa, and many others. Now let us walk into the workshop area to learn more about the production process of the barbecue grill. The initial product design starts right here at the design department of Vanward. They design the appearance of the product and propose a functional idea, while the R&D department develops it according to the concept proposed by the design department or customers' own requirements. In the design and development stage, Vanward's strong R&D team focuses on collecting and researching the expected use, functionality, performance, and safety requirements, legal and regulatory requirements, risk management, and related information required by the product. In the design and development output stage, the R&D team will study carefully the feasibility, degeneracy, and scalability of product molding. For complex components, the latest 3D printing technology is giving priority to trial production of prototypes and verification activities, focusing on functions and basic performance. After the verification conclusions are qualified, there will be a trial production of molded small batch for full performance test confirmation. If necessary, these samples will be repeatedly modified and optimized until it finally meets the specified requirements. But how do they test to know certain requirements are met? These we'll find out now in Vanward's QC laboratory. As a standardized management system can provide a guarantee for reliable quality, Vanward is certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, OHSAS 18001, FSC, COC, as well as other system certifications such as CSA North American Gas Safety Certification, UL North American Electrical Safety Certification, CE EU Safety Certification, AGA Australia Gas Safety Certification, as well as CPSC US Consumer Product Security Approval. In addition, before mass production, the factory conducts regular internal tests and external inspections on the products. The factory laboratory conducts corresponding test items for the key quality characteristics of products, components, and materials, and entrust third-party certification laboratories such as CSA, KIWA, SGS, ITS, and other third-party certification laboratories to complete CSA, UL, CE, AGA, and other product certification tests. After the initial samples are produced, they will be sent here to Vanward's BBQ grill laboratory, where they will be tested with more advanced equipment to confirm whether the product is approved and ready for mass production, meeting national and international standards. To know specifically what tests are carried out in this lab, I am now with factory's laboratory chief, Ms. Long, who will guide us through the main tests and operations here in her lab. Ms. Long, thank you for taking the time to be here with us today. And could you please guide us through the main process conducted here in your lab?
Hi, Joao. Of course. Let me introduce you to the key tests performed on initial samples. All tests done here are based on national and international standards. In the first step, we use a 3 coordinates measuring machine and an image measuring analyzer to verify and measure the assembly dimensions of relatively complex assemblies, such as grill frame, base, pipe fittings, inspection tools, and fixtures, and determine whether the product size meets the requirements. In the second step, we use the temperature rise tester to measure the surface temperature of the parts, such as grilling net, handle, and gas hose, in order to verify whether the surface temperature of the baking net is uniform and whether the surface temperature of the handle and gas hose are not higher than the standard during its use. In the third step, in order to verify whether the gas quality and the combustion of the grill burner are sufficient, we detect the products of gas combustion through the flue gas analyzer and confirm whether the proportion of oxygen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen oxide meets the standard. In addition, in order to meet the product requirements of different countries and regions, we're also equipped with infrared thermography, flue gas analyzers, gas flow test benches, comprehensive electrical safety performance testers, and packaging and transportation-related test equipment and instruments, which can be carried out according to customers' requirements for corresponding product safety testing.
The production process of the oven varies according to different materials, which are divided into die-cast aluminum parts, sheet metal parts, and pipe parts. Here we can see that for this specific order, there are different materials according to customers' order requirements. These materials are sorted and then put into production. The entry and exit materials will be systematically recorded so that when quality problems occur, they can be discovered and dealt with in time. This is the first step in product quality control. Here, the aluminum alloy blanks will be completed in the die casting workshop. The whole process, including forming the die cast machine after injection, grinding, data center processing, shot pinning, and powder spraying. If inspection is passed without any problems, the parts will enter the final assembly. The machine we see now is a die casting machine. After the parts are placed on the machine table, the die casting machine will punch them and trim the edges. This workshop covers an area of 9,000 square meters with 3 sets of 1,250-ton machines, 2 sets of 1,650-ton machines, 1 set of 2,000-ton machine, and 1 set of 2,500-ton die casting machines. It also has 2 central melting furnaces and a number of high-efficiency environmental protection equipment. The average annual production capacity is more than 1.5 million units. The blank sheet metal parts of the oven will be completed here in the sheet metal workshop with processes such as stamping, bending, and welding. This section covers an area of approximately 31,500 square meters and has a complete set of laser pattern machines, laser welding robots, CNC pipe benders, CNC bending machines, butt welding machines, high precision punching machines, 650 1200T hydraulic presses, tapping and drilling machines, and other advanced equipment. This is a real first-class sheet metal workshop with independent research and development and supporting production capabilities. There are a total of 5 stamping workshops and 25 stamping lines, which can store over 300,000 parts per month for the oven. This workshop is used for powder spraying, painting, foaming, and other processes for the production of oven parts. This workshop covers an area of 25,000 square meters with a spraying line, 1 foaming line, and a fully automatic screen painting machine. These machines are considered to be the most advanced for this segment in the industry. Here in this workshop is where the enamel parts of the oven are produced. This workshop covers an area of 19,000 square meters with 3 enamel lines in total. Each enamel line is equipped with advanced supporting equipment and full inspection is carried out in this stage. The average annual production capacity is as high as 1.5 million units. The animal process is a key process in the production of barbecue grills, and to know more the process is so important, Mr. Dai will give us a detailed explanation.
In the animal production line, special attention should be paid to the process parameters of the product. The equipment used in the animal process is also critical. The pre-treatment of animal spray requires control of temperature and concentration parameters during the production. In the animal powder room, temperature and humidity should be strictly controlled during production, and while you use the animal sintery furnace, we need to take care of the furnace temperature, line speed, and other parameters.
Now we are in the oven assembly workshop. This workshop has an area of about 36,000 square meters with 16 efficient assembly lines, equipped with a complete set of equipment such as visual electronic billboards, process inspection and testing machines, automatic packing machines, laser marking machines, silkscreen printing equipment, two-dimensional code inspection equipment, and humanized suction clamp stuckers. These lines can adhere to annual output as high as 5 million units, and the workshop continues to adhere to the lean production model and strictly implement the product process requirements.
The first step is to pre-assemble the wire parts, where related parts will be packed in the pre-assembly line. The second step is the valve body production line, where there will be a full inspection of gas pipe components, installation of bellows, and pressure relief valve joints. High-low pressure leak detection will be done right after that, followed by the assembly of the grill body and upper cover. Next are the final assembly steps, which all accessories and corner protectors are placed so that the final product can be fully packed into cartons and sent to the warehouse. In this workshop, it was seen that FQC inspectors of each production line carry out 100% full inspection of the products according to AQL inspection standards, including appearance, structure, performance, and packaging. Only qualified products will be sent to finished product warehouse and delivered to customers.
The warehouse is a department here at Vanward with a large storage space of 58,000 square meters, which can accommodate 280,000 finished products. There are 30 shipping platforms and a service department composed of 50 forklifts. Today, we had a comprehensive understanding of the production process of Vanward's best-selling barbecue grills and visited Vanward's production workshops and laboratories on the spot. It is clear to us that Vanward has many advantages and shining points. First of all, Vanward's complete product supporting chain and centralized procurement of raw materials have greatly reduced production costs. It can provide different MOQs to meet the production needs of different ODMs and OEMs. Secondly, Vanward has been in the gas appliances field for 30 years and has become an industry expert. In terms of technical research and development of new products, it can meet various needs of overseas buyers. Finally, the most intuitive advantage is Vanward's strong manufacturing capabilities, large-scale automated production equipment such as robotic stamping, automatic riveting machines, automatic welding robots, which together are vital to increase production outputs, but more importantly, to improve product quality and reduce the rate of defective products. Today, we are awarding Vanward 5 stars out of 5 for the outstanding production performance and capabilities. If you are an importer of home appliances and are interested in knowing more about Vanward, please feel free to contact them through these contact methods. Want to know where we're going next? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned by hitting the notification bell. See you next time!